Beginnings of our new garden. Third load of dirt delivered. My husband's hand shoveling all of it to smooth it out. Thankfully it's not the summer yet, although it's hot. The breeze is blowing nicely and it's cool. Got another load coming today, or 2 more loads I guess. Got a long way to go.
Good morning. It's April 28th, and here's the big garden so far. We've got 9 loads of dirt over here, and we've got 10 more to go. Hopefully will be delivered in the next 2 days. That marker right there is how far we're going. So we've got 1 more row here of dirt, and then we'll be filling all of that in.
Hey everybody, day 3 of the dirt load drops. Corey's done a lot of work and it's getting there and it's awesome. Now beyond those last few loads there, Corey's gonna put another row at the end and then fill this in here. I believe there's 6 loads remaining, but this is number 3, day 3 update. Amazing. Here we are at the west side, the far end of the garden. How it looks from over here. All of this has to be filled in here, and 1 more row beside this area here. Fourth day of soil delivery. Corey's smoothing out the first load of the day. This is the extent of the garden this way to the edge here. Now we're going to fill this in and that over there. Make a big rectangle. So we should be waiting on 5 more loads today. All of this has been done just the way that you're seeing Corey work on it now. So proud of him. The final load of 20. What a feat. So much dirt. Finally, on the third day, the last load. Give me a thumbs up, babe.
Huh?
Give me a thumbs
last
up.
Load.
Yay.
The last one. Hang with it for the summer, so.
Yeah, put the silage tarps on them, on the dirt for a while. But we should have the fall garden. That's a huge garden, guys. Can't wait to update you guys with all of the stuff we eventually plant. But we're gonna let it stay fallow over the summer under silage tarps so that any grass seed or weed seeds that are in the soil will germinate, and then the tarp will suffocate them. So it'll be much less to weed after we plant it. No turning back now, we're going forward. All spread out, all done. Not sure if we're ready for all this work. Think we're gonna make it, Corey?
Oh, yes.
We have to now. The garden is completely flat now. The next step is to do some amending based on some soil testing that we're gonna have done. And but it's finally finished. You'll notice a notch up here that goes toward the garden. We came out a little bit far down here, closer to the driveway than we wanted to be. So we just notched it in. That way we can have wide turns around the corner in the driveway. But yeah, this is fantastic if you ask me. And it's gonna grow a lot of food. I'm sure we're gonna be overwhelmed, but it's gonna be okay. So yeah, this is gonna be a great adventure. Our first huge garden. Of course, you saw our baby garden over there, the 1,000 square foot that we started, that we've been experimenting with and learning from, and so that we can take all of that experience and knowledge and apply it to the larger garden. So just can't wait. I'm excited. Look at all that food's gonna go in there. Hopefully we'll have good yield for sharing with others. Thanks for following along. God bless.